Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the UpFox handheld vacuum cleaner cordless. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum or dealing with tangled cords, this little gadget is going to be a game changer for you. First off, let's talk about the mini size and lightweight design. This vacuum weighs less than 400 grams and is so convenient to hold and carry around. It's perfect for anyone who needs a quick and easy cleaning solution. The cordless design is also a huge plus. You'll have the freedom to move around and clean any corner of your home, car, or office without being tethered to an outlet. And when you're done, it's easy to store in any small space. One of the best features of this handheld vacuum is the fast charging and long runtime. With just 2.53 hours of charging, you'll get up to 20 minutes of powerful suction to tackle any mess. And speaking of suction, this little vacuum packs a punch. The turbo motor provides strong suction to pick up dust, pet hair, food residue, and more. And the best part? It's designed to operate at a low noise level, so you won't be disturbing your family or pets. With its versatility, you can use this vacuum in your home, office, car, or even for cleaning up spills and messes. It's the perfect gift for anyone in your life who could use a little help with their cleaning routine. So, if you're ready to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient, be sure to check out the UpFox handheld vacuum cleaner cordless. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.